Have you noticed how suddenly every design tool you open has an AI button? Figma, Photoshop, Canva, Illustrator. And naturally, a lot of designers are asking, will AI replace graphic designers? Short answer, no. Long answer, it's changing how we design in a very big way. Hi, I'm Ananya from Academy. In this video, we'll break down exactly what AI is doing to graphic design right now and how designers are using it. AI is not replacing designers. It's becoming a very powerful creative assistant. And right now, it's impacting graphic design in three major ways. Let's break them down. The first big shift is generative AI. Tools like Midjourney, DALL allow you to generate images, patterns, artwork, and concepts in seconds just by typing a prompt. Think of it like this. Instead of starting at a blank artboard, you now have a partner who can instantly show you 20 visual directions. Designing a poster, album cover, packaging concept, you can generate references, styles, textures, and moods instantly. You don't use it as final design. You use it to think faster, explore more, and break creative blocks. That's where generative AI shines. The second shift is even bigger. AI is not just a separate tool anymore. It's built into the tools you use every day. Adobe, Figma, Canva, pretty much everyone has AI features now. So things that used to take time, like resizing designs, trying different layout options, removing backgrounds, or testing quick color variations, can happen way faster. And in Adobe's world, that's exactly what Adobe Sensei and Adobe Firefly are built for. And we already know that Canva AI is becoming everyone's favorite tool. But here's the key thing. These tools don't just design for you. They handle the boring, repetitive, time-consuming parts, which means you get to spend more energy on things that actually matter. Concepts, storytelling, visual thinking, and strategy. Parts that make you a designer. The third shift is where it gets really interesting. AI can now analyze how users respond to visuals. Which layouts work better? Which colors perform better? Which designs get more engagement? This means design is no longer only creative. It's becoming data-informed. You can now design visuals that adapt based on user behavior and preferences. This level of personalization was nearly impossible earlier. Today, it's becoming standard. Now that we understand these big shifts, let's look into how designers are practically using AI in their everyday work. Auto-generate layouts. Figma, Canva AI, and Adobe Express turn your content into multiple layout options in seconds. Logo and branding. The same goes for logos. Looker and Adobe Express assist with AI-generated logo options and branding kits based on your preferences. Image editing. Once you've got your visuals, Photoshop, Luminar AI, and Photo clean them up in minutes instead of hours. Generative art. Stuck on ideas? Artbreeder, Runway ML, and Deep Art help you explore styles and build mood boards fast with AI image generation. And finally, typography. FontJoy, What the Font, and Adobe Fonts suggest font pairings that work with your design. Now, with all these different ways designers are using it, you can see why AI has become one of the most talked about tools in the design industry. But like any other powerful tool, AI has its own pros and cons. Here's where AI really helps designers. Saves time and boosts efficiency, sparks creativity and fresh ideas, enables more precise personalization, makes design more accessible, frees designers to focus on high-impact creative work. And here's what designers need to be careful about. Copyright and plagiarism can get tricky, risk of bias and harmful stereotypes, some AI outputs can lack originality, relying on it too much can dull your creative skills. AI is clearly becoming an important part of how designers work today, not as a replacement but as a powerful assistant. The real skill now is knowing how to use AI smartly, knowing where to use it, where to be careful, and how to combine it with your own creativity and design thinking. At Academy, our graphic design courses, are industry relevant, project based, and fully live online. So you can learn not just design tools, but how to work like a designer in an AI-enabled world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. You can also check out the full blog link in the description for more details. Until then, stay curious, keep creating, and design with purpose.